Welcome to Dorliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to detect spyware in your Android phone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to detect spyware in your Android phone. Now for the first method, just open up your Google Play Store. Then tap on this profile icon. Then go to Manage Apps and Device. Then go to Play Protect option. Now from here you have to scan your all the phone apps. Now just tap on Scan and give it a moment. And the scan is complete. You can see there are no harmful apps found in my phone. Now for the second method, open up your settings app. Then scroll down. After that, go to device care. From here, go to app protection option. Now from here, you have to scan your phone. Then just tap on scan phone. And you can see that will start scanning your phone. So just give it a moment. And the scan is complete. You can see there are no threats found in my phone. That means there are no spyware in my phone. And that is how you can detect spyware in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.